Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can find new music on Spotify, so let's get right into it. Now, I am on this Spotify community post, and I'll be going over the suggestions which are in this post. It is basically up to you how you want to find them. There are several different ways. You can just search up new artists, or just find artists whose songs you already like. If you've maybe heard one or two of their songs, then you can check out their other songs, etc., etc. And then you can check out some community-made playlists, or you can check out some Spotify curated and created playlists. But let me just stop talking off of my mind, and let's go over the suggestions. Firstly is to follow the artist. As I mentioned, if you like a couple of songs of one artist, you can follow them and keep in touch, or keep up to date what they have released, see what they have of other music, other songs, and check them out. And that's pretty much the easiest way to discover new music. Now, other than that, you do have daily mixes. Spotify creates these and are updated every week based on your listening history. These daily mixes are found every day, and what you need to do is go to the home button, and once you're there, you need to scroll to the made for and insert username or your username here list, and here you just need to click on the banner or click show all, and you'll find up to 6 daily mixes. Each have a different theme and genre, and that is one method which I would recommend. You also have the Discover Weekly and Release Radar posts or compilations, which is, well, you'll find it exactly in the same place with the made for you window, and you can find the Discover Weekly and Release Radar playlists. Discover Weekly is updated every Monday, and it just has some compiled songs, some songs you haven't even heard of possibly, so you can check that out. Release Radar updates every Friday, I think, and it's just on new releases of artists you follow. You can also go to Spotify Radio. This is a feature that is in Spotify, and they create a radio station based on your choice, and it plays songs that are related to it. You can also use the search feature, of course, and just search for anything you would like. You can click on genres, you can click on specific artists, and just go on from there and explore. You can also create collaborative playlists with others. I have made a tutorial on how to do this, and you can just listen to the music that others listen to as well, whoever is in the collaborative playlist. You can also check out third-party stores, but I'm guessing you're not interested in that since you're interested in Spotify. But yeah, that is pretty much all you have to do to find out or yeah, just find new music. There are other ways, but I'll leave that up to you. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.